This is Infinix Hot 20i, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, swipe downwards from the right part of the status bar, find the shortcut that is responsible for the Wi-Fi, then touch and hold. After that, choose what network you would like to share the password of, and as you can see right in front of it, at the right side of this, each network section or field that it occupies, there is this little icon that you want to tap on, and after that you'll get the QR code that can be further used to automatically get some device automatically connected to the any given Wi-Fi network that you have saved, of course. Already, so you can also, as you can see, access it from the network details page as well. Alright, so that would be definitely it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.